What phenomenon was Moseley observing and measuring for different elements when he proposed the ordering of elements could be related to their atomic number? A. Color. B. Density. C. Radioactivity. D. State of matter. E. X-rays. Henry Moseley was a British physicist whose work was important for the creation of the modern periodic table. Prior to Henry Moseley's experiments, the known elements were organized by atomic weight, as proposed by Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. But in 1913, Moseley proposed that elements should be organized by their atomic number. At the time, atomic number represented an element's position on the periodic table and was equal to the charge of the nucleus. We now know that the atomic number is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of all atoms of an element. Moseley proposed the new ordering system because he discovered a relationship between the atomic number of an element and the scattering of X-rays directed at the element. He recognized from his experiments that the atomic numbers of elements increased by 1 unit at a time. His experiments allowed him to predict the existence of 3 undiscovered elements and provided a method for determining whether a substance was in fact a new element. In conclusion, the phenomenon that Moseley was observing and measuring when he proposed the ordering of elements could be related to their atomic number is answer choice E, X-rays.